Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Elementor, which is a great page builder. A page builder is a plugin that we use on our website to create web pages. Okay, Elementor is a popular page builder. Now let's start by installing it. To install Elementor, it's pretty basic. You just go to plugin and add your plugin, and you go here on the search bar and type Elementor. For me, it's already installed, so I don't need to install it again. You're gonna click, but for you're gonna click on install and activate. Okay, I'm gonna show you an example like this. You're gonna click on install and activate to activate this plugin. Okay, once it becomes like that, you say that it's active. Now you will be able to start creating web pages using Elementor. We're gonna go to page and we're gonna click on add new page. Okay, now you're on this page and you're gonna give the title of your page. For example, I'm gonna call it contact, and I'm gonna click on publish. And now it's important to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now you're on Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. This is where you're going to edit your web page. Okay, now here we have the sidebar. This is where you're going to drag and drop element to the Canva area. And then we can notice here we have many widgets. The first thing I suggest you to do is to create layout. And to do that, you're just going to this plus button here, and you can see there's many layouts. For example, let's take this one. Okay, now you can notice that we have two sides. Okay, now let's imagine that we want to put a video. What we need to do is first click on this chocolate menu here, and then we're gonna take video, drag and drop it here. Easy. Okay, now let's imagine that we want to add a text. We click on the chocolate icon, and then we're gonna slide and then take text editor and then drag and drop here. Okay, see, it's really easy. Let's add a new layout. Okay, again I click on the plus button, and then this time let's take this one. See, to add an element, and then we're gonna click on the chocolate menu. This time let's choose an image, drag and drop. Easy. Again, this time we're gonna add a button, drag and drop. Again, it's really easy. Okay guys, you see how to add element in the web page. But now I'm going to show you something. You see here, this is all the thing that you can drag and drop in the web page. There's a lot. Okay, as you can notice, some of them are not free, and I have a lot because I installed some add-on. Okay, now let's see after adding some element to the web page or to edit them. For example, I'm gonna add a new element, which is a heading. That could be a title. Drag and drop. Okay, and now you can notice that on the sidebar it changed, and then you can see edit heading. For example, I'm gonna type this is a heading. Okay, here you can see that I can place a link here that will, when the person will click on this heading to get it somewhere. Okay, if it's a video, you see this little pencil icon, I'm gonna click on it, and you can see that this part changed. For every element, I will click on the pencil, and then you will notice that this part will change. That will help me to modify the element. Okay, this is pretty much it. You're gonna go to the sidebar, drag and drop elements, and once the element is on the canvas, you're gonna come to this pen icon to edit it. Once you created your web page and you see that you like it, you're gonna come here and click on update. This is pretty much it. So to master this software, you're gonna need to practice a lot. This is how you're gonna master it. And also there's a pretty great thing in Elementor. This is the ability to add custom CSS. You're gonna scroll down, and then here on custom CSS. If you know about CSS, then you can add some CSS to a web page, but it is only available for pro. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video.